Hi guys and welcome back. Installation of Gate Solutions is a cinch. All you need to do is download the setup file, agree to the license agreement after reading it of course, and choose which components you want to install. If you're running 32-bit Windows, you're going to keep this option checked because you will need Visual Studio C++ libraries for the program to operate. I would suggest keep all of them selected and just go next. I would also suggest that from here on you just simply choose the default option. So yes, we're going to be installing to C program files, Timal Technologies AGS Professional install. Alright, during the installation process you'll see a lot of these command windows, terminals pop up. Do not worry, they're there for a reason. Now what happens here, because I have installed WAMP already, the installation recognizes that fact and it warns you that it will be overwritten. I advise if you have WAMP installed before and you want to keep the database, you either back it up and rename it, or you uninstall it before installing this. If not, please be advised, when you're installing with a previous installation of WAMP, it will be overwritten. Again, you'll see these terminals from time to time. Don't panic, they're doing some important work in the background. So at this stage, because I had a previous installation and I agreed to the override, it's now deleting all the files that were there before. So bundled with the Gate Solutions program is a copy of WAMP Server 2.4. You need to install this if you intend to use Gate Solutions in a local area network setup, a LAN setup. You simply choose again the default options and install. This will take a few minutes. Depending on the speed of your computer. Okay, so again, there's a window that comes up during the installation of WAMP. All you need to do is just choose the default option again. Here again, yes, we're going to choose, we don't need SMTP at this point. We're not going to be sending mails from our WAMP server, so we again will choose our default option. Here, and when you're finishing the installation of WAMP, you will be given the option to launch it. Now you can choose it, or you could uncheck it, it really doesn't matter. when it's installed correctly. And this is now the installation of the MS Sync Toy, which I spoke to you about earlier. Now basically the MS Sync Toy is a Microsoft tool that allows you to copy files to another location in real time, which means we can use it to back up our database or databases in real time. So should, God forbid, the server goes down, there will be an active copy of the server files, that is the database, in another location. It's called redundancy, and it's great. So we come to an end. The installation is successful. We can now choose to run it directly, or we can choose to just quit. Alright, see you in the next video where we're going to be talking about